I am Iron Man. Check it out, everyone. The folks over at Sofirn have taken the everyday carry flashlight and made it into a fashionable piece of beautiful machinery that you can wear and have a flashlight no matter where you are. Let's go inside and take a closer look at this. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And as we know, everyday carry flashlights come in all types of shapes, sizes, things like that. Never before have we seen something like this. Square, wearable, portable, something so you have a flashlight with you at all times. So I asked the people at Sofirn why this light, why was it designed this way, and they said they wanted to make the everyday carry flashlight something you didn't have to think about, something, kind of fun, enjoyable, and, very practical. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you what you get inside. So at max power we have 300 lumens, 76 meter beam, quick release clip module, 20 grams. So on high, 300 lumens, it says for 41 minutes. Medium is 75 lumens, it'll run about 44 minutes. Low, 15 lumens, 3.5 hours. Moonlight, 2 lumens, about 10.5 hours. And the UV light's 120, I guess MW, whatever that is. And that'll last for 33 minutes, so this does have a UV light as well as the light on top and your normal flashlight. So it is IPX5 rated, which basically just means it's okay to get it wet. Like you can wear it in the rain, wash your hands or something with it on, and that's about it. So we're not going to be trying to submerge this in 1.5 meter drop rating. So let's check this out. Sofirn thinking outside the box here, bringing us new stuff. So the flashlight will come locked. You tap the power button 3 times to lock and unlock it. Welcome to the family. You get a keychain mount. You get a chain so you can wear this around your neck. You get a wrist strap. You get a mount. This is what the wrist strap goes through. It's also a magnet in here to hold the light, and there's a clip here as well. So many mounting options with this light. USB-C to USB-C charging cable. 1 user's manual. And now for the star of the show, let's check out the light. Now this comes in actually 3 different colors. This one's blue, they have orange, and they have a gray color one. There's also a limited edition for members only, which when I gather when I looked online, it's free to join, become a member. There's like a copper version that comes with like some extra stuff. I'll leave a link down below. So man, right off the bat you can feel this is like an aluminum. It feels really nice and strong. Just has a really good feel to it. Very, very light. So we do have right here these holes. That's where you're going to put like your keychain and the other mounts, like the chain and all that, if you want to wear it as an accessory, look like Iron Man. Here's our USB-C port. As you can see, there's no plug, there's no cap, so that's something, that's why we don't want to get this thing too wet and dirty. So we have our regular light, our UV light, and then this light here. So we tap this once, and then there we have our light. So if we hold this down, it's going to step through the different brightnesses. 1, 2, 3, and then so I really wish that this was a little bit slower in the way that it did this. It's just kind of fast on that ramp up. See, it's very, very short, so it's kind of hard to dial that one in. So now if we hit that twice, we get the UV, and we can see this is blinking. So this is also a battery indicator, so when you actually turn on the flashlight, if it's solid, I believe that's up to about 75%, and about 75 to 50% it'll be blinking green, and then it starts turning red. So this is also a battery indicator, pretty typical of most flashlights. So like I said, double tap, we have the UV. So now if we press once and then hold, we get the lighting here. So this one is just red. This would be good, you know, if you're riding your bike or going for a walk and you want to light, you know, bring some attention that you're there. So now we double tap to go to the next one, and this one's going to be this kind of strobe and change colors. So we'll just try to run through this real quick. Look at purple. Sometimes this doesn't show up on camera as well as it does in person. That's like a blue, and that's like a teal, green, and then we have police mode. And then kind of my favorite, I like this one, the RGB strobing color. So there you have it. That's all the lights. So we have one light here, we have the UV, and then we have about 4 different modes here for this regular light. So let's check out the mounting system. I do want to touch on one other thing too. This light, it's magnetic by itself, so if you want to stick this to something, you don't have to have the mount. So pretty much that's just a piece of metal. Oh no, that is a magnet. And that's pretty strong. Now I know, you might think, why would you want to wear this on your wrist and have a flashlight? Let me show you this deal right here. This is a very expensive watch by Garmin. This is something I bought for my cycling and backpacking adventures, mostly because this thing, I can use it to track my distance. But one key feature with this is I have an emergency device. I could trigger an SOS off of here. But one cool feature on this watch, something I didn't even think I would ever use, if I tap this twice, there is a flashlight built into the front. And I'll tell you what, having a flashlight, not even a cell phone, having a flashlight on you at all times has actually been tremendously helpful. It's been very, now it's not the brightest thing, it's nowhere near as bright as this, but I'm telling you, just from my experience, having a flashlight on you, it's been tremendous. Like, I didn't buy this for the light, I bought this for other uses, but it having the light built in, I have found that so nice to have. Alright, don't do like me and put the strap on backwards. There is a proper way. Make sure you do that, because you want this piece facing down, and then the way I did it, these retaining hooks right here are on wrong, but I'll fix it later if I decide to wear this thing. Alright, so there we go. You can actually put the light any kind of way that you want. You can have it face down. You can, so like, this might seem weird, but just say you're outside going for a walk, or maybe it's early in the morning, you're going for a run, or you're going for a walk, and you want cars behind you to see you. There you have it. You're going for your walk, and you have that light there. This is really handy too, you know. I mean, in the past, you know, if you wanted some hands-free stuff, you had another flashlight. And you know, the problem is, like, this is only good, really good for putting on your head. So now you have this kind of pricey flashlight thing. It just has one use. It's basically for hands-free stuff. This one here, you know, you could have it hands-free. You can put the, you could take this off, clip it to a hat. If you want, you can clip it to the handlebars of your bike, use it as like a light for riding. There's just so many things, you know. You can clip this to your dog collar, so that way if the dog's out there walking, you can see where it's at, or, you know, if you want to let them run at night. So yeah, that is really, really strong. Look at this, you can see it just pull. So I would not worry about losing your flashlight with that. And like I said, you know, if you want to just put this on your keychain, they give you this little tether here. You just feed it through these 2 holes, and then you have that feature. Or if you want to, you can wear this around your neck and just have it handy. You just feed this chain through. So let's go for a little walk and see how good this light is outside, and then we'll wrap up the video. Alright, so going for a walk. This is the lowest setting, and obviously you cannot see anything. So there's number 2, and there's number 3. So that's fairly bright, and that's I know the camera doesn't really do it justice, but if you're out here walking, this would be fine. And then of course we can brighten that up a little bit. So see if I can, you know, it's definitely not the brightest of flashlights out there, but it's not meant to be. I mean, look, it fits in your hand. But if you're going for a walk, this is plenty of light. That is. Here is our RGB type colors. There's the red. You can see like how bright this is lighting up in my hand. All the other colors that we have here. Oh yeah, that's real bright right there. This is a pretty cool effect that you can have here. And this is the one that can get you in trouble. So yeah, there we go. So all right, so my final thoughts on the SE1. I really like the fact that they're thinking outside the box and trying to make everyday carry a lot simpler. So from my own experience, having this watch, having the light built in has been fantastic. I think this is really cool. I love the colors that they offer them in. It's just really handy. My only dislike, like I mentioned earlier, would be how fast this changes. So that ramp up is just really fast. I wish that was just a little bit slower. But other than that, maybe something to keep debris out of the USB-C port, because as you wear it, stuff can get in there. You know, kind of had that problem like cell phones and that. You just put them in your pocket, they get dirty, so that might be a problem. You can buy like a little rubber plug if you know, if it does matter to you. If you're going to be in like a dirty environment, you might want to protect that. The watch band itself here, very stretchy, very comfortable. It feels really, really nice. I really like the multiple ways of attaching this light. So you got this cool like carbon fiber looking type clip, so you can clip it to a hat. Even say like you're going for a walk, like I mentioned earlier in the morning, you want to bring some attention to yourself, you can clip this to your shorts or your whatever you're wearing, put that on there, and you can just put on a red light so people will see you as they come up. Or if you want, you know, you can have, I don't know if I'd walk around with the red and blue, but you can also put on that, you know, the Iron Man RGB, and bring some attention to yourself. So many different uses that I could see for this. You know, just even if I said you're going for a run in the morning, sometimes you got a park it's lit up in certain areas and it gets dark in others. You can just reach down, one press of the button, boom, you got a light. You know, if you do some kind of work, truck driver, mechanic, something like that, you need this a light for doing a quick pre-trip or something. This is just really handy because it's, you know, something you can put on and have on you, and you don't have to worry about it being in your pocket, this, that, and the next thing. Or, like I said, you can be very hands-free. I really like the way this feels. This just feels solid. Really like this. Really cool. I love they're innovating and just thinking outside of that traditional box of everyday carry type lights. I said, you know, they come in all shapes, sizes, varieties, uses. This kind of tackles multiple uses in one. I like it. And you know, the best part is, it's going to be on sale right now as you're posting the video for a couple days. It's only going to be $15.99, and then the regular price is $17.99 as of filming this. So, man, you're getting all this for $17.99? Not hard to really argue with that. Well, everyone, hope you found this informative. If you're looking for a good, easy to carry light, check this one out. I mean, it looks pretty. I mean, yeah, I could see walking around wearing that because it's freaking cool looking. But anyhow, hope you got some good information. If you're looking for a good everyday carry light, you might want to check this one out. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.